Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Pistol braces, the ATF, and you essentially, braces that are approved by the ATF are perfectly legal until you're notified otherwise. Pistol braces on AR pistols were declared in a 2014 ATF ruling to be totally fine. Since a brace was designed as a brace rather than a stock, an AR pistol wasn't an SBR and therefore.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
The Honey Badger pistol, like many other AR, AK and other, large-format pistols, comes standard with a pistol brace, not a rifle stock. This, in conjunction with other features, can prevent the ATF from classifying the gun as an SBR, meaning it is not regulated under the National Firearms Act, or NFA.
Take our lead.
You can purchase and sell, transport, and carry your brace-equipped PDW, personal defense weapon, pistol just like a handgun, in accordance with the laws in your jurisdiction, the video says. Legally purchase and sell your PDW pistol as you would any other handgun.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
July 2018 update. It has been clarified that you can legally shoulder an AR-15 pistol equipped with a stabilizing brace, irrespective of the manufacturer of the brace. That means a SIG arm brace, e.g. this pistol brace, is legal to use in this manner.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Can you shoulder an AR pistol stabilizing brace? Yes. In 2014, the ATF argued this was illegal. But in 2017, they reversed their opinion and now state, sporadic, incidental, or situational, shouldering of a pistol brace is legal.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.